How to add a weather widget in Windows 11. If you want to add a weather widget in Windows 11, this video will show you how to enable it and display the weather on your taskbar. First, make sure your Windows 11 PC is up to date. Click the Windows Start icon and open Settings. Click on Personalization from the left side menu. Then scroll down and select Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, find the Widgets option and turn it on. Once enabled, you should see the Widgets button on your taskbar. Now, hover over or click the Widgets button to open the Widgets panel. Find the Weather widget. If it's not already displayed, open the widget options and look for the option to pin or add the weather widget, depending on your Windows 11 version. After adding it, you should be able to see the weather information from the Widgets area on your taskbar. That's how you can add a weather widget in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.